This video will cover the network diagram in the Infraon Infinity suite. A network diagram is a crucial visual representation of network architecture, showing how devices are interconnected and the modes of connection. It acts as an editor, where users can drag and drop icons that represent different device types onto a canvas and map them to devices that have been discovered. Once mapped, the network diagram captures the live status of both the devices and their links, offering a comprehensive understanding of the network's architecture. Now, to add a network diagram, simply click on Add Network Diagram. Editor view will be opened. In the editor, search for diagrams by device type. There are pre-existing diagrams at disposal, which can be drag and drop directly onto the canvas. Right-click on the device type to map data to a specific diagram and choose Edit Data. A new pop-up will open, allowing technicians to add a label for the device name and to select the relevant device that has been detected. Then, map the device resource name to capture its live status. Select custom menus such as the Asset View and the Events View. Adding these options gives a contextual menu by right-clicking on a device, where technicians can navigate to either the Asset View or Events View. After making the changes, click Apply to save them. This feature also works for switches. Add the required details for the switch, and then click Apply to save these changes too. Users can edit the canvas to meet specific requirements. After making all the necessary modifications, save the diagram by clicking Save in the top panel. Now assign a profile name for the diagram. If there are any user tags created in the system, one can assign them here, which allows the appropriate users to access the network diagram when logged in. To enable specific users to view this input diagram, provide a suitable description. Once done, click on Save to complete the process. Open the same network diagram to view the live status of each device. Nodes in red indicates down, while ones in green are up. Hover over mouse over a node to view detailed information about it. At the top right corner of the page, click on Export View to download the network diagram in PDF or JPG format. To add additional components to the diagram, click Edit and map the interfaces connected between devices. Update the connections and click the network link to see the live status of the link between devices. Right-clicking on an interface opens a pop-up tab where detailed information can be added that will be reflected in the network diagram view page. Click Apply to save these changes. To save the entire network diagram, click Save. Hovering over mouse on an interface allows users to view the live status of the devices. Similarly, hovering over a node shows basic details about it. Use these features as needed to make edits to a specific diagram. To duplicate a diagram, select the Clone option, which copies all the components and allows for further modifications, or the addition of new components to create a new network diagram. Once finished, click Save to keep the changes. Click on the cloned network diagram's name to view it. Users can also delete a network diagram by simply clicking on the Delete option. Confirm this action to remove the diagram from the grid page. This wraps up the explanation of network diagrams within the Infraon Infinity suite.